Here we are looking down Arlington Heights Road. Almost home. There's our house. Sun's almost down. Sky is almost clear now. You wouldn't even guess there was a storm here yesterday, except for the ton of snow and that you have to walk in the street. Pretty amazing. People are all waiting around the front door at pads for them to unlock the doors, and I hope they open them soon because it's damn cold. They shoveled a lot, but they didn't shovel everything. It's a great tree. Love it. All pretty pine cones. There's Denise's. Let's see the little walk that the kids and Martine made. Almost there. Well, we're going to have to cut this off then. If Will made me a little chili to bring over to Denise. Here's the nice long skinny walk. It's awesome. Almost goes to us, but then I'm going to have to dig through on our end. Oh, so much work. It's gotta be like 5 feet high. Like a little tunnel. It's so cool. I'll have to work on that tomorrow. Alright, that's it for now. Once around the block on the first day of the snowstorm.